Welcome to my review of Any Video Converter, a free tool that allows you to convert videos between various formats. When I first tried the software, I was curious if it would live up to its claims of being one of the best free converters available. I'll walk you through the user interface, key features, and my personal experience with it. Upon opening Any Video Converter, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-navigate interface. This is definitely one of the highlights of the tool, as it doesn't overwhelm you with complicated menus. I found the process of adding videos to convert very straightforward, and the drag-and-drop feature was a nice touch. You can import videos from your computer, or even online sources like YouTube. The options for video formats are impressive, supporting a variety of popular and less common types, including MP4, AVI, and WMV. The conversion process itself is fast, and the output quality was generally very good. I tested a couple of different file formats, and I was pleased with how well the quality held up after conversion. However, I did encounter some issues with longer videos. The tool seemed to slow down a bit when converting large files, and the conversion times weren't as fast as I had hoped. For smaller files, however, Any Video Converter performed very well. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. As for its editing features, Any Video Converter does have some basic tools, such as trimming, merging, and adding effects to your videos. However, don't expect professional-level editing from this tool. It's more suited for quick, simple edits, which is perfect for casual users. One downside I encountered during my use was the occasional pop-up ads asking you to upgrade to the premium version. While the free version offers a lot, the ads can be a bit annoying at times, especially if you're just trying to quickly convert a video. Overall, Any Video Converter is a solid tool for video conversion. Its ease of use, speed for small files, and good output quality make it a great option for anyone needing a basic video converter. If you're dealing with larger files, however, you might find it a little slow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of popular tools.